Hi everybody, I'm Brett Tippie and I'm going to do a box opening from One Manufacturing. They've been making cool shred stuff since 1986, and thanks to Matt Cummins for sending me a cool care package. Let's see what's in there and check it out. Woo! Okay, so here's the box, and let's see what's in here. Some bike wash stuff, container, some bicycle tire sealant, thank you, some eco chain wax, 100% natural formula, very nice, premium bike grease, very nice, like a late Christmas. Chain oil, chain lube, stanchion lube, a little bit of lubrication. Oh, what's this? Fluorinated speed wax, first layer bar, cool temperatures, cold temperatures, ice cold, very extreme conditions, some warm wax, warm, cool, cold, very cold, some snowboard wax extraordinaire, one ball snowboard and alpine wax, some stomp pads for the back foot, old Game Boy style, some crystal gems, and a little kitten, stomp pads. Holy, so much stuff. Bike degreaser, new bike shine, polishes and deflects dirt to prevent buildup, with a tropical scent. Cool. Some fluorinated rub-on wax, all temperature. Speed wax. Oh, a new iron for waxing my boards. Look at that beauty. Adjustable temperature. Place my old unit. Some more wax. Some scrapers. Nice brand new sharp edges. Wow. Some bulk snowboard wax. No fluoro. Alright. There's a bunch of wax for bulk jobs. Different temperatures. It's a lot of wax. Thanks, guys. I don't know what this is. Is that a fanny pack? Figure that out later. Oh, nice. And some brushes for once you're waxed and scraped your board. You can brush it, beat it with the base, get all the wax. We got a nylon cork, got a brass and nylon brush on the edges, and the full-on nylon brush, all different types, to make your board go very fast. Wow! Another scraper. I like to have lots of scrapers. Base prep. Wow, this is so tech. A little more fluorinated rub-on speed wax. Some One Ball Walter wax. All temperature. Smells like coffee. Pizza wax. Smells like pizza. The Dude wax. And Jesus. Goes with the Dude. And Walter. Very cool. Well, thank you very much, One Manufacturing. They make great stuff. Check them out on Instagram. Made right in, I believe, right out of Seattle. And there we go. Now to prepare my boards and get everything all ready to go. Thanks very much, Matt Cummins and One Manufacturing. Woo! Now to prep my board. Thanks, guys.